What's good in the neighborhood?
Look here, man. Y'all make sure y'all keep the crazy people out of your lives, man. Don't let people ask you stupid stuff. You feel me? So I'm gonna get on up out of here, okay? Hey, y'all take it easy.
What's good in the neighborhood, boy? Yeah.
What is wrong with you?
Hey, Uncle Mike.
Where's
Uncle
your
Mike,
clothes?
Can I borrow some underwear?
No, you can't buy no underwear.
Underwear.
You cannot buy people's underwear, man. What is wrong with you? No, you don't buy people's underwear.
Don't worry about it. I can wear the ones I had on yesterday. I just turned them inside out.
What? You don't do that,
Hey,
man.
you can use the backyard for the bang.
No, you can't use
you
my
use the backyard for the bang?
Okay, you know what? Yeah, you can use it. You can use the backyard.
Okay.
Golly, you in this stupid
Thank you,
band.
Uncle Mike. Thank you, Uncle Mike.
You welcome, man. You welcome. Get on up out of here. Hey, I'm gonna get on up out of here myself.
Uncle Mike is on his way home, and he gonna be mad at you.
He not gonna be mad. He said we can use the backyard for the plan.
Well, I sure hope you're right. I think he's coming.
What are you doing? What the hell are you doing? What you doing?
I'm building a dance floor and a stage for the band.
You doing what?
I'm building a dance floor and stage for a band.
Tearing up my backyard.
You said I can use the backyard for the band.
I didn't say you was gonna do all this. And where did you get that thing from?
I found it.
You found it?
I found
What you
it.
mean you found it? Look what you done did. A dance floor and a stage for a band. Look. He's a crazy fool. That's what you are. No, it's a dance floor. I'm gonna build a dance floor and a stage. He's a crazy fool.
I'm not a crazy fool.
Well, look, when I finish the dance floor, don't ask the dance floor to do it. You don't like it.
Man, I ain't nobody gonna ask to dance on your stupid dance floor. You better straighten my backyard up. That's what you better do.
It's gonna be straight, Uncle Mike. Uncle Mike, it's gonna be okay. I got it. I got it, y'all. Come on, let's go.
Uncle Mike built the studio, so check what I do. I'm building the band so I can rock the mic and show what I do. We're gonna practice all night to make sure it's right, and I'ma prove to Uncle Mike that my band is hype. The party people are coming around. It's time for the network to get on down. Put your hands up in the air, cause you know the MC just don't care. Uncle Mike, what's good in the neighborhood?
Use the backyard for the
I can use
band.
the backyard for the band? Okay. All right.
Dang, you
All
in
right.
this
Thanks,
band.
Uncle Mike.
All right, have a nice one, man. I'm gonna get on up out of here, y'all.